Hello all my dear students and welcome to your maths online class. In my last lecture, I have given you your day 18 assignment in which I have given you few revision sums. The second revision session related to your chapter number 1. There in first question I have given you few numbers to arrange in ascending order. Second question I have given to arrange the numbers in descending order. Third question I have given to write the predecessor of this number. Fourth question to write the successor of the given number. Fifth question I have given you to round off these number. A part to nearest tens, B part to nearest 100 and C part to nearest 1000. Then in question number 6 I have given you a few Hindu Arabic numeral which I have told you to convert it into Roman numerals. I hope you must have done all these questions correctly. You can find the answer key of these questions in your today's PDF. It is given on page number 1 and page number 2 of today's PDF document. You can check it from there. And here I am solving all these questions for you all. So pay attention and just check your answers that you have done it correctly or not. Or if suppose in any question you have doubt, then just clear your doubt from these solutions. See, first question was to arrange the numbers in ascending order. For arranging the number in ascending order, first of all, we have to count the given numbers. So, start counting the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 digits in this first number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits are there in this second number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So first number, third number and the last number is having 7 digit and this second number is having 6 digit, and ascending order means smaller to greater. That means it is understood that this number is the smallest of all. So first of all we will begin arranging the numbers with 8,76,543. So this one is the smallest and the next one will be greater than this. So we will put the sign of less than. This is less than and next will be greater. Now this number is out of the series. We have already used this number. 3 numbers are remaining. From these 3 numbers we have to choose the second number which will come here. So just check the first digit, as all these 3 numbers are having 7 digits. So we have to check the number digit by digit. So the first digit is 3, 3, 3. First digit is 3 everywhere. Move on to the next digit. The next digit is 6, 6, 5. So from 6, 6, 5, the smaller is 5. So next number is 3, 5, 0, 5, 7, 8, 9. Now, as we have used this number, so this number is also out of the series. Now 2 numbers are remaining. From these 2 numbers, we have to choose our next number. Again, you will put the sign of less than because this will be less and next will be greater than this. So check the digit 3636. First 2 digits are same. Move on to the next 00. It is also same. Again move on to the next 55. It is also same. So move on to the 5th digit. So 5th digit is 7 here and the 5th digit is 6 here. So from 7 and 6, the smaller is 6. So this will come 36,05,639. This will be your third number. So this is also out of the series. So now which is remaining? Only this last number. So this is your greatest number. So you will write like 36,05,728. Okay. So like this we can arrange the given number in ascending order. The second question was to arrange the given numbers in descending order, and in descending order you know to arrange the numbers from biggest to smallest. Again start counting the number of digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again first number, third number and the last number is having 7 digit, but the second number is having only 6 digit. So it is understood that this number is the smallest number, and in descending order the smallest number will come at the last. So first of all we have to choose which number will come in the beginning. So for that we have to check the number digit by digit. So first number 3, 3, 3, second digit is 1, 1, 1, third digit is 4, 4, 4, fourth digit is 5, 5, 5. So till 4 digit everything is same, 3145, 3145, 3145. So we will move on to the fifth digit. So fifth digit is 2, 3, 2. So from 2, 3, 2, 3 is the greatest one. So our first number will be 3, 1, 4, 5, 3, 8, 0. That means 31,45,380. Now, this number is out of the series. Now, 3 numbers are remaining. From these 3 numbers, this is understood that it will come at the last. So, from these 2 numbers, we have to choose the next number. Here, we will put this sign, greater than sign, because the first number will be the greatest of all. So, in descending order, we put greater than sign, and in ascending order, we put less than sign. Now, from these 2, which one is greatest? 3145, 3145 is same. Then 2 is also same. The fifth digit is also same. Move on to the sixth digit. So, sixth digit is 9 here, and here it is 6. So, from 9 and 6, 9 is greater. So, our second number will be 31,45,290. Now, this number is also out of the series. Obviously, the next greater number will be this one, because this is the smallest one. So, 31,45,269 will be the next greater number. Again, you will put the sign of greater than. This is also out of the series, and yes, at last will come 4,45,293. So, like this, we can do our ascending and descending order. I hope you have done it correctly. Then, in question number 3, I have given you to find the predecessor of this number. And predecessor means -1 from the given number. That means the given number is 61,64,750. From this, we have to subtract 1. So, when you will subtract 1 from this number, that means 50 minus 1. Just see the last 2 numbers. From that, you subtract 1. So, 50 minus 1 is 49. So, rest all number will remain same, 61647. Only in place of 50 will come 49. So, like this you can subtract, and students, if you cannot subtract it directly, then do the subtraction in rough column separately, because you all know how to subtract any number from the given number. So, like this you can do. Question number 4 is to find the successor of this given number. To find the successor, we add 1 to the given number. Here the given number is 14,29,099. This is the given number, and in this number we have to add 1 to find the successor. So, for adding 1, 99 plus 1, again last 2 numbers are sufficient to add or subtract. So, 99 plus 1 is equals to 100. So, this 099 will become 100, rest number will remain same. So, it will be 1429100. So, like this you can add 1. Again, if you don't know direct addition, you can add it separately in the rough column. But now you are in 5th standard, so you should learn how to add and subtract directly, as I have done, because to add and subtract 1 is not a big deal. It's very simple. So, you can do the calculation in your mind only. But still, if you find difficult, you can do it in rough column as well. Okay. Now, here we have completed our question number 4th. Now, question number 5th. In question number 5th, I have given you to round off the numbers. First part, I have given you to round it off to nearest tens. And when I have explained you the rounding off topic, I told you when we round off any number to nearest tens, then we look its previous place. So, the previous place of tens is ones place. So, we will put underline on ones place. Then in B part, we have to round it off to nearest 100, and the previous place of 100 is tens place. So, here we will underline the digit which is there on the tens place. Then in C part, I have given you to round it off the given number in nearest 1000, and for nearest 1000 we have to underline the digit which is on hundreds place, because ones, tens, 100,000. So, previous place from 1000 is 100. So, we will underline the 100 place. After underlining, we have to check that if the underlined digit is between 0 to 4, then it will be round down, and if it is between 5 to 9, then it will be round up. Here you can see in A part, the underlined digit is 3. That is, it is between 0 to 4. So, it will be round down, and round down means there will be no change in the number before the underlined digit. Okay. So, there will be no change in 5736. 5736 will come as it is. like this, and only in place of underlined digit 0 will come, because we have to round it off to nearest tens, and you know in nearest tens single zeros is there. In tens value single zero comes, so 0 will come at the last when we round it off to nearest tens. Then move on to the B part, and here the underlined digit is 0. That means again in between 0 to 4, so it will also be round down. Round down means there will be no change in the value which is before the underlined digit. That means 4196 will come as it is, right? And 100, you know in 100 how many 0 comes? Yes, 20 comes. So in place of underlined digit and the next digit of underline, there will come 00, because we have rounded off this number to nearest 100. So 2 zeros are here. So this is the answer of A part, and this is the answer of your B part. Now pay attention on C part here. Here we have to round it off to nearest 1000. That means we have to focus on the digit which is on hundreds place. And as I have told you, if the digit underlined digit is between 5 to 9, then it will be round up. So here you can see the underlined digit is 6. That is, it is between 5 to 9. So round up. In case of round up, as I have told you, whenever it is round up, then we add 1 to the previous number which is there from underlined digit. So it is 2505 plus 1. So it will be 2506, right? So 2506, and in place of this underlined digit and the next two digit will come 000. Why 000? Because you know in 1000 3 zeros comes. Okay, so you can put commas like this. 25 lakh 6000 is the round off in nearest thousand of the given number. Okay students, so like this you were supposed to do your rounding off question. I hope this question you have done correct, and those students who were having confusion in rounding off, I hope your confusion must be clear by watching this solution of question number 5th. Now the last question of your revision work, I have given you a few Hindu-Arabic numerals which I have told you to write in Roman numerals. So here we will be writing these Hindu-Arabic into Roman numerals. See how we will be writing. Firstly, write this number in expanded form. So how we will be writing it in expanded form? How we write expanded form, I have explained you in your previous revision session. So 1000 plus 800 plus 30, like this we can write in expanded form. Here we don't write 800 directly in Roman numerals. So I am breaking this 800 also again in two parts. So 1000 I am writing as it is. Instead of this 800, I am writing 500 plus 300, because 500 plus 300 is 800 only. And then at the last I am writing 30. See, if you will break it like this, no, then to write it in Roman numeral will become easy for you. Now see how easy it is. 1000 in Roman numerals means M, 500 in Roman numeral means letter D, and 300 means 100, 100, 100, 100 3 times, and 100 you know is letter C. And as I have told you, we can repeat any Roman number 3 times only, not more than 3 times. So here 300 is there, so we can write this letter C 3 times. Now 30. 30 means 10 plus 10 plus 10, and 10 you know 10 means letter X, X, X. So see 1000, 500, 100, 100, 100 means 300, X, X, X means 30. So like this you can write 1830 in Roman numerals, MD, triple C, triple X. So this is the answer of A part. Then B part. Again I am converting it into expanded form. So how we can expand it? We can expand it as 2000 plus 900, right? Like this we can expand it. Again I can break this 2000 in two parts, like 1000 plus 1000. Instead of writing 2000 directly, I can write it as 1000 plus 1000 plus 900. Now, as you know, 1000 means M. Again 1000 means M. And how to write 900? See, M means 1000. If I place C before M, then it is C is 100. So from 1000, whenever the smaller letter comes before the bigger letter, then I told you it is the case of subtraction. So if I have written C here and M is here, bigger is here, smaller is here, so it is also subtraction. So 1000 minus 100, so 1000 minus 100 will give me 900. Understood? So to write 900, we use the letter C, M. So here 1000 in place of 1000 I will write M. Again in place of 1000 I will write M. Then 900 directly I will write C, M. So like this you can write 2900 in Roman numeral. Fine, students? Then the last part of your revision work is 539. Now again just write it in expanded form, 500 plus 30 plus 9. Now this is very simple. To write 500 we use letter D. For 30 I have already told you here 30 means 3 times we will write letter X. So X, 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 30 and then 9. You know how to write 9? I, X. So like this we can write 9. So this is your 539. Okay. So here I have explained you all the sums of your second revision session of chapter number 1. I hope everything now related to chapter number 1 is clear to you. Now after this, in your today's PDF you will find the day 19 assignment, in which again I have given you some revision sums, but these revision sums are now related to your chapter number 2, because chapter number 1 2 revision session I have already given you. Now I will be giving you 2 revision sessions of chapter number 2 also. So this is the first revision session of chapter number 2. In this question number first, you have to solve these questions, where first question is related to addition, second is subtraction, and the third one is multiplication. So solve it. I hope you will do it correctly, because you know addition, subtraction and multiplication. Then in question number second, I have given you to divide this number. So you have to firstly divide it, find the quotient and the remainder, and then finally check your answer by putting the formula dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Then finally in question number third, you have to find the product of 4172 and 64 by using lattice multiplication method. Okay students, so solve these revision sums and just wait for my next YouTube video, in which I will be giving you the answers of all these revision sums. Okay students, so that's all for today. Meet you again in my next online class. Till then, take good care of yourself. Thank you students.